How to add a one-time product in the funnel builder. In this video, we will walk you through how to add a one-time product to your funnel. Go to your funnels and choose which one you want to use. When you're in your funnel, navigate to the Products section. Here we already have a subscription product, but now we want to add a one-time product as well. Click on the plus icon to add a new product and open the Product Creation menu. Select one time as the type of product you want to create. Now you can name the product and choose the desired price. You then need to write out the price display override, which is how the product will appear on the buyer's order form. You will also need to write out the product description, which is what will appear on the buyer's financial statements. When you've finished creating your product, click Save. Now you can see both your subscription and one-time products in the funnel menu. In this funnel, neither of the products were selected as bump products in the creation menu. What this means is that buyers cannot pick both products. They have to select one or the other. If you want to adjust this, you can edit your products in the creation menu. Alright, you've successfully added a one-time product to your funnel.